Hey everyone, Morgan here. It's time to talk about how to use canned tuna. So canned tuna is, I think, as versatile as canned chicken that we've talked about previously. And you're going to see a lot of the same stuff from that canned chicken. If you haven't seen the canned chicken episode, go down to the link down below. It's also going to be the end of this video. Go check that out. Okay, so the first one is, of course, tuna salad. Classic, right? Tuna salad on some nice homemade bread, or bread from your freezer or whatever. Tuna salad is just about my favorite thing to make with canned tuna. But the other things that I'll make is tuna pasta, or of course macaroni salad. Anything with tuna and pasta is going to be really good. I like to make a tuna pasta with just a tiny bit of like spicy mayo, like mixed in for the sauce, and then some peas and corn, and this is like a beautiful bowl of protein and nutrients. I love it. So good. All right, tuna and rice. So what I like to do with the tuna and rice is it's tuna, the canned tuna, some rice. I also like to put a little bit of black beans on the side and some corn. I really like corn, so you'll hear me talk about corn and peas a lot. But I put these things in a bowl and then I mix it all up. Super good, super easy, just incredibly a great meal. So tuna burger or tuna patties, really good and easy, just same way you make a chicken patty. So with a chicken patty, you're using eggs, which you can also use raw freeze-dried eggs and rehydrate them. You can use breadcrumbs, and then you mix all that together. You can put other spices and stuff in there if you want, but mix all that together, and then you're gonna make little patties and put them in some oil and fry them up on both sides. Delicious, super easy. I do tuna patties quite a bit, actually. They're just really easy. Tuna melts. So you could do I like to do just straight tuna, but you can make the tuna salad and then the cheese and then the bread and then make the tuna melt. Man, I haven't had a tuna melt in a long time. Now I really want one. Next one is tuna tacos. Tuna tacos. So I'm pretty sure you can stuff anything inside of a tortilla and it will be delicious, okay? Whatever you have on hand, any vegetables, any sauces, any like microgreens or whatever you have, put your tuna in it with whatever sauces that you want, throw all that in there, close up the taco, the burrito, and eat it. It will be delicious. All right, and the last one is tuna ramen. So this is a great way to add some protein into your ramen. I also, again, like to add some vegetables to it. You could also add, some beans to it. I like to add black beans to it, canned black beans. And in fact, black beans are going to be the next episode in this series of how to use canned foods. I hope you've enjoyed this so far. Let me know what else you want me to talk about in this canned food series. Like what other canned foods you like. I don't really know how or what I would make from this, or like how to add it into my everyday, or how I would make it in the apocalypse. Let me know. Put it down below and I will help you out. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. Talk to you later. Bye.